You think you know YouTube? Welcome back to new notifications. Most of us use YouTube daily, learning, catching up, or just watching cat videos at 2 a.m., but we barely scratch the surface of what YouTube can do. Today, we're diving into hidden features and clever tricks that will transform your experience. From pro navigation to multitasking and finding moments instantly, these hacks will level up your YouTube game. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a game changer: keyboard shortcuts. If you've ever found yourself fumbling for your mouse or trackpad while watching YouTube, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a much faster, more efficient way to control your videos? One that keeps your hands right where you need them, on the keyboard. Stop reaching for your mouse. Your keyboard is the real power tool. With just a few taps, you can pause, rewind, or fast forward without ever breaking your flow. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without these shortcuts. The keys J, K, and L are your new best friends for video control. Here's how they work. K is your pause and play button. Just tap it to stop or start your video instantly. No need to hunt for the tiny play icon. J rewinds your video by 10 seconds every time you press it. Perfect for catching something you missed or replaying a key moment. L, on the other hand, fast forwards by 10 seconds, letting you skip ahead quickly if you're trying to get to the good part. Need to jump further back or ahead? No problem. Just tap J or L multiple times in a row, and you'll move through the video in bigger leaps. It's like having a remote control at your fingertips, but way more precise and responsive. For even faster navigation, try using the number keys along the top of your keyboard. Each number from 1 to 9 jumps you to a specific percentage of the video, so pressing 1 takes you to 10%, 5 jumps to the halfway point, and 9 skips you all the way to 90%. Pressing 0 instantly restarts the video from the beginning. This is incredibly useful for long videos, letting you jump to exactly where you want without endless scrubbing. These shortcuts are a lifesaver when you're watching lengthy tutorials, lectures, or podcasts. Instead of dragging the timeline and hoping you land in the right spot, you can move with pinpoint accuracy. It's especially handy for revisiting important sections or skipping over parts you already know. Once you get used to these keyboard tricks, you'll never want to go back to clicking around with your mouse. It feels smoother, faster, and just more satisfying. You'll find yourself navigating videos like a pro, barely breaking your concentration. Give these shortcuts a try the next time you're on YouTube. You'll notice right away how much smoother and more enjoyable your viewing experience becomes. No more fumbling or frustration, just seamless control at your fingertips. Mastering these keys is your first step toward true YouTube pro status. With just a little practice, you'll be navigating videos with speed and confidence, making the most of every minute you spend watching. Next, picture-in-picture, my daily multitasking secret. Pop any YouTube video into a floating window that stays on top while you work, browse, or chat. Just right-click the video twice and select picture-in-picture from your browser's menu. Drag and resize the mini player anywhere on your screen. No extensions needed. Most browsers support it natively. Mac users, look for the speaker icon in Safari's URL bar. It's the ultimate way to keep watching while you get things done. Video chapters are a game changer for long videos. Hover over the timeline to see labeled sections. Click any to jump right there. Or check the description for clickable timestamps. Chapters turn a long video into a table of contents, saving you endless scrubbing. Creators on Chafferiderain. Just add timestamps in your description, starting with 000, and YouTube does the rest. It's a small effort for a huge viewer benefit. If you're not using chapters, you're missing out. They make content so much easier to navigate. Playback speed controls are a must-have feature for anyone who wants to take control of their video experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn new things online, mastering playback speed can completely transform the way you watch videos. Imagine sitting through a slow lecture or a lengthy tutorial, Instead of waiting for the speaker to get to the point, you can simply speed things up to 1.25x or even 1.5x. This way, you save precious time and keep your focus sharp. On the other hand, if you hit a complex topic or a tricky explanation, slowing the video down helps you catch every single detail, making sure nothing slips by. Adjusting playback speed is simple. Just click the gear icon on your video player, select the playback speed option, and choose the pace that works best for you. Whether you want to breeze through content or take it slow, the choice is always in your hands. For even faster control, use keyboard shortcuts, press Shift and the period key to speed up, or Shift and the comma key to slow down. No need to open any menus, just tap and adjust on the fly, making it perfect for quick changes as you watch. If you want even more precision, try the custom option. This lets you set your exact speed so you can find the perfect balance between speed and comprehension. It's ideal for those who want a tailored viewing experience. Playback speed controls are perfect for learning, reviewing, or just powering through a backlog of content. Students can revise lectures faster, professionals can review meetings efficiently, and anyone can enjoy more videos in less time. Once you start adjusting playback speed, you'll never want to go back. It's a simple trick that makes every minute count, helping you get more out of every video and making your learning or entertainment time truly efficient. Did you know that YouTube automatically generates searchable transcripts for the vast majority of videos uploaded to the platform? This feature is often overlooked, but it's incredibly powerful for anyone who wants to get more out of their viewing experience. Whether you're watching a lecture, a tutorial, or even an interview, these transcripts are available at your fingertips, ready to help you dive deeper into the content. To access the transcript, simply click the three dots located just below the video player. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Show Transcript. Instantly, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying the entire transcript, neatly organized by timestamps. The transcript panel is more than just a block of text. It allows you to follow along with the video in real time, search for specific keywords or phrases, and even jump directly to any moment in the video by clicking on the corresponding line. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, without having to watch the entire video from start to finish. For students, it's a game changer when it comes to taking notes or reviewing lectures. You can highlight important sections, copy quotes for your assignments, or quickly revisit complex explanations. If you're preparing for exams or working on a research project, having the transcript right there saves you tons of time and effort. Each search result in the transcript is linked to a clickable timestamp. Just click and you'll jump straight to that exact moment in the video. No more endless scrubbing back and forth, trying to find the right spot. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. This feature isn't just for students. Researchers, professionals, and anyone who learns from YouTube videos will find it invaluable. It helps you organize your learning, reference information quickly, and make the most of every video you watch. In many ways, the transcript panel transforms every YouTube video into a fully searchable database. You can treat videos like articles, search, scan, and extract the information you need in seconds. Give it a try the next time you're on YouTube. Once you experience how easy it is to find, review, and interact with video content using transcripts, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Need to loop a video? It's built in. Right-click the player and select Loop. Your video will repeat automatically. Perfect for music, ambient sounds, workouts, or learning a dance move. To turn it off, just right-click and uncheck Loop. No more sketchy extensions or extra tabs. It's simple, seamless, and works on any video. Set it and forget it. Want a safer YouTube? Turn on restricted mode. It filters out potentially mature content using titles, metadata, and community reviews. Click your profile picture, scroll to restricted mode, and toggle it on. It's browser and device specific, so set it everywhere you want it. Parents can lock it to prevent changes. Comments are hidden for extra safety. It's a quick way to make YouTube more family friendly. Thumbnails are YouTube's billboards. Custom thumbnails grab your attention and tell you what a video's about in seconds. Creators, verify your account, then upload a bright, clear, and bold image. Good thumbnails use strong visuals and readable text, even at small sizes. They're the first handshake between creator and viewer. Next time you scroll, notice which thumbnails stand out. A great thumbnail can make all the difference. Ever wonder how creators know what works? YouTube Analytics. It tracks views, watch time, where viewers come from, and when they drop off. Audience retention graphs show exactly where people lose interest. Demographics help creators tailor content to their audience. It's a feedback loop. Your viewing shapes future videos. Analytics is the secret sauce behind every successful channel. Just by watching, you help shape what comes next. For late-night viewing, dark mode is essential. Click your profile picture, go to Appearance, and select Dark Theme. It's easier on your eyes and looks great any time of day. You can sync it with your device's settings for automatic switching. Set it on each device you use. Once you try dark mode, you'll never want to go back. It's a small change that makes a big difference. That's a wrap. YouTube hacks to upgrade your experience. Try these out and see how much smoother your viewing gets. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more tips. What was your favorite hack, or do you have your own secret trick? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching and spending your time here. Stay tuned for our next video on the future of smartphone cameras. Until then, I'm New Notifications. Peace out.